BlockQuake is a regulatory-driven cryptocurrency exchange where you can securely buy, sell, and trade crypto, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and others, with low trading fees. And with me is the CEO and founder, Antonio Brasse, to explain where you're at with BlockQuake. So great to see you, and great to see the progress that you have made. And I know you've done this this regulation CF crowdfunding campaign. So where does that stand?
Sure. So the regulation CF crowdfunding campaign, for people that don't know, it's under the SEC rules that allow regular, everyday people, retail crowd to participate in private placements, be able to actually invest in companies that are pre-IPO, not public yet. So it's a pretty big deal. Our WeFunder campaign, we're doing it through a company called WeFunder, their portal. They're one of the largest out there. So people can go, everyday people can go invest into our company through that portal for as little as like $100. And I'm excited about it. It's been an absolute fire. It's really, we've done a few speeches and stuff around it, and it's really like taken shape, taken form, and it resonated with people. I often point out that we are the only crypto exchange company out there that regular retail people can actually invest in pre-IPO.
Yeah, I was going to ask about that. So they can actually buy like shares, right?
Yes,
or how does it work? Okay.
Similar to that, yes.
So similar to shares, and then participate in your future growth.
Yes,
right?
I mean, we hear about all these other companies looking to go public or have gone public in the crypto exchange space, where a lot of people wish that they had the chance to be one of those private investors.
Right.
When the valuation was much lower. They can do that with us.
Okay, and they can also participate as traders on the exchange as well.
Yes, that's one of the things I love about this is obviously our investors will also be brand ambassadors for the company, and they will get to trade on the platform once it launches, and they'll also get free trading. So it's one of the investor perks that we're doing, and I'm excited to just reward people that are taking this ride with us from the very beginning, so to speak.
Now, of course, we've seen, Celsius and Voyager Digital. There's been a string of crypto exchanges and lending firms and things that have had trouble lately, have kept people's money. Are you noticing any hesitancy on the part of investors because of the macro situation that we're seeing?
I think some are. Some are holding back. Some are, there's a lot of fear in the marketplace right now. So some are taking a step back. Others are asking more questions, which they should absolutely be doing. And we often have been getting the questions about what happened in the marketplace recently. And I point out to potential investors that that could never actually happen to us, what they saw with other exchanges, with halted withdrawals and like big name exchanges, right? And I pointed out it cannot happen to us because we're not structured in a way to, we would never borrow customer funds and lend it out or gamble with it and play casino with it. That's really what happened. You had a lot of the top name exchanges on other platforms out there essentially gamble with customer funds.
They were using a lot of leverage, right?
Yeah, they were over leveraging, taking it as if it was their own, and we happen to hit a bear market and that all turned on them. So yeah, I think customers need to ask those questions of platforms they use, like what exactly are you doing with my funds?
Okay.
So yeah, I mean, customer protection has always been top of mind for us.
Now, what about other verticals like NFTs? Would you ever get involved in that?
Absolutely. I think the crypto exchanges are our flagship vertical, and with the crypto exchange, we've got the top market makers and banking partners that we're onboarding with that we'll plug in. That lines up nicely with the NFT marketplace because we'll have so many crypto and fiat options that when we attach a NFT marketplace to that allows people to move in and out with many different options versus the current climate where if something's built on Ethereum or Polkadot or whatever that's out there, you need that asset to actually do your buy and sell. So
Yeah.
we're also trying to make this as easy as possible for customers.
And it doesn't have to be art. You might
Yeah.
also do, let's say, real estate NFT or tokenization.
Yeah. I think everyone thinks about NFTs as like art or music, creative stuff, but there's creating tokenization of real world assets. So that's another vertical for us where we're having active conversations about tokenizing stuff like gold and real estate. We've got, expertise in our teams that help with that process. So other verticals for any potential investors looking at our WeFunder campaign or reaching out to invest in us directly, definitely want to let people know that we're going to be more than just a crypto exchange.
Yeah. And so how can somebody find out more about BlockQuake, either to use the service or to be an investor?
Sure. So I would tell people to find out more about the company. Definitely go to BlockQuake.com, our main website, for the WeFunder, for people looking at that. And the WeFunder is available pretty much everywhere on the planet. That's WeFunder.com/BlockQuake. And then obviously, we're talking to private equity VCs. Anyone watching this can reach out to us directly. And we do have our exchange token sale that's out there at quakecoin.com, but that's for an international audience, for anyone overseas that is watching this.
Okay. Thank you so much, Antonio.
Thank you.